In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable restricted mode on TikTok. Now, I have enabled this restricted mode right here. That's why you're seeing it here in the top. So whenever I scroll here, it's still going to appear. Now, I'm going to show you how to turn that off. Let's go over to our profile. And once we are here, go ahead and click this three vertical lines here and then open the settings and privacy. After doing so, we are going to look for content preferences. If we are going to open it, you should be seeing here the restricted mode. So go ahead and click that one. And then what you're going to do is click the turn off button. And yep, you can go ahead and choose reasons here. I'm just going to go ahead and basically choose that one and then submit this. Alright, in order for me to fully turn it off, I have to put here the code. So this is the code that I have set. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this off just like so. And then from here, you can just basically scroll down and you won't be seeing that restricted mode anymore. And yep, that is how it's done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.